Hi techs, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to test internet speed on the Mac instead of going to Google Internet Speed Test or other internet speed tests out there on the web. To do this, open the Terminal app. Then type in network quality and press return. And now here you will see the upload and download speeds depending on what room you are in right now. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.